Hey, Chris MJ, and before we head into this week's TokokTech video, it is time to announce the giveaway winners. Now, these three will be winning themselves a Apple USB Lightning cable. Okay, so it looks like we only have 4 people who commented. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, the winners are John Au, Juliana Chu, and Picaster Paul Raj. Congratulations, guys! Woo! Okay, so just DM me on Instagram at Chris the Chindian to claim your prizes. Alright, let's start the video. Alright guys, so in this video, we finally got our hands on the latest iPhone 12 mini. So it's time to unbox it. First of all, if you take a look at the box, the first thing that comes to mind is compact. The very fact that they don't include the adapters already. Yeah, in terms of packaging, I really like it. Has a good solid feel to it as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So we got the iPhone 12 mini 256 gigs black. And of course we have the SIM card pin, Lightning to USB-C cable. And that's it. That's all there is in the iPhone 12 mini box. Now the main thing I really want to talk about in this video is the size of the phone. Now I'm not going to lie, when they first announced the iPhone 12 mini, I had my doubts because I was thinking like, this is so small, right? It looks exactly like the iPhone 5. Is this going to be good? Like, do we actually need this? I've been so used to using the iPhone 11. Ladies and gentlemen, after getting this iPhone 12 mini and after holding it, really it's not so bad. I think we've just got so used to the big screens, right? With 11, the 10R onwards. But when I'm holding this 12 mini, it really feels so compact, very light, and really just fits in your pocket nicely. And I do miss this bezel design as well. Instead of the rounded, it's more square. But yeah guys, I'm just trying to let you know in this video that this is not as small as you think it would be. Like, you would think like, hey, it's too small lah, I cannot see anything lah. But after holding it and testing it out, plus the sick camera, I think it's worth it lah. For 256 gigs, this is 4099. And it is currently available online, so you can get it via Switch or machines on Shopee as well. So go ahead and check the links down below. The iPhone 12 mini comes in 5 different variants: white, black, blue, green, and product red. So the one I have here is black, which is my favorite color. Obviously, black goes well with anything. But I'm not gonna lie, the green looks pretty interesting as well. It looks very lime green, very fresh, like Solero. Like Solero ice cream, yeah, you can lick it. But yes, if you have a budget and you don't want to go for the 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, I think the 12 mini, despite its size, is a very premium and good quality smartphone. So I'm very excited to use this. Maybe in the future, I will probably do more review videos of like probably after a month using it. The main conclusion is this is not a bad size for a smartphone. Very compact, light, convenient to bring around, one hand holdable. Feels good in my hands actually. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Chris out.